Oh, I'm just looking for parts for the Sears tractor idler pulley. It's kind of weird. I looked at the video and I don't see it seized up anywhere in the video. I just marked it live, but got that box of parts. I found the clutch mechanism, but it doesn't seem to have a pulley. So I played back the footage when I got the tractor that this is from. It never had it. Yeah, hey. Shit happens. That's all I can say. But I found another one that'll fit. But I'm just seeing if I got something a little bit better. So this should be old engine parts. Oh my god, look how corroded that got this sitting here. The roof used to leak, but now it's a new metal roof. Those mufflers actually, I wonder if one of them would fit the Honda go-kart. Honda go-kart exhaust? The GX200? What do you guys think? Are you spying on me? I think you are. Proxy. You're a weird puppy. Oh, what did I scare you now? Yeah. You're a weird padoodle. Well, ain't this interesting? Going to be a fun trip to my house. So I'm going to be heading there in about 2 hours or so, maybe 3. Yeah, well, maybe I'll get some good video. Yep, a few lakes around here, that's for sure, from all the rain we just got.
Hey coyotes! There's a litter of baby coyotes here. You guys see them? Meow. Hey, hey! Oh, they're so cute!
Girlfriend actually sent a picture of them, and I see where it just laid down. There's a few of them in there. Oh, so cute. You'll catch one for a pet. Well, it looks like Logan at least did some work I asked him to do. Moved all those bags there and banked it up around the house. Saves me a little bit of a hassle anyway, but it's meant to be a twister warning, tornado warning tonight, and it's so calm right now. Are we actually going to get hit with anything? I really doubt it. But again, you never know. It's a little bit higher here, but I mean, I can fix that with the loader, but so a project for this weekend is work on my blueprints, because the RM requires me to send exact measurements of every single thing, including what I'm doing underneath it, the size of the boards, where they're going, and the distance from the house, distance from the road, and distance to the next door neighbor's property line. So should take about half an hour. So I will be working on this for now, because it's going to take about a month or so to get the permit, and technically I can't even pour the cement footings yet without it. Yep, she's definitely stuck, but I got to move it out of here to work on it. Okay, so yeah, that idler is solid. So I was looking, I had this foot pedal system here, but it looks like it will be too much work to try to make that fit. I'll need another linkage bar. I'm missing something. Well, I'm not missing it, I just basically didn't bring it. Also got a new 3-point bar, so I need that for the loader to put my weight bin back on. But those damn birds been up here again, and I bet you their nest is over there, but I'll check that out. Okay, so the one I have wasn't from a Sears. I just quickly shoved it on that clutch bracket. I actually looked back at the video when I got that tractor, this one here, and it actually didn't have it. So this one came off another tractor I had. So the bolt size there was a little bit too short, or not too short, too skinny, one size too small, but I mean, it still worked. I brought spare hardware, so it's so close that, I mean, it's close enough anyway. So I'm still going to probably pick up a spare one and go from there, but well, I guess it's ready to go do some cutting. Holy crap, look who just woke up. You missed all the fun. And it is right out of gas. Fun, fun, fun. Yeah. I said do not leak on the exhaust much, so he doesn't, but Logan, it's full.
Ah, fuck.
You got me! Okay, take it back. It's not full. Keep on going.
Okay.
Might as well fill it up. I'll count the hours and see what we get out of it for cutting. I think I'll have to let it sit a little bit after this. Look at it, him just...
Oh, Logan.
Slow down with your poor Logan. That screener in there does that too. And then I'm going to use it this time, and then next time I'll teach him how to use it maybe.
I'm not letting him on my tractor. Forget it. He'll be stealing it to go visit his girlfriend.
Good point.
Why the fuck would I want to take this piece of shit?
It's faster than walking.
Not
No, it's
really.
not.
Not really. Till we totally swap it, then maybe. Okay, so I just gave it a quick rinse to get the gas off it. And I don't think that's meant to do that. So I'm going to take this hammer, pin that down into there. And yes, that's not a proper clip. I know. I'm just testing it. See how it works. Well, now this is shit kicking it. You guys see what I'm doing? I'm going lower and lower on the blade to kind of smooth out the ground. You can see it's taking all the high spots out nicely. But it's very dusty. Here's a good spot coming up. Oh, wait. Stand in front of it. Right off. Nice. This is very dusty, so I'm going to put away the camera. Yeah. The old man is here to check out the damage on his trailer. That you can't even, don't go in there, you'll get too many ticks.
Well, you got a spare right here, man.
It's flat.
Well, fix it and put it on.
I know. I have been meaning to. But I just did this, leveled this all today. With the lawnmower now that I got it going. Yeah. See the property line, Dad, is going to be that tree, those taller trees right there. So I'm about 20 feet from the trails.
Oh, yeah, for sure,
Yeah. And I checked that hoard pile, where all my junk is, I got like 10 feet behind it.
So you're more of an angle then.
Yeah.
This is a circumcised tree he did.
That's his fault for tying the strap too loose.
It might have been too tight.
Yeah. There's the garden site there. Just taking my dad for a walk around here.
Oh, I think it's my video when you're doing that.
Yeah.
Oh, well.
He'll go, that's the picture, Dad.
So he's taking me around this trail that he built here. And I ride around there from over there and his garden in the fence. Smarten up the fence off the garden so the deer can't eat it.
And electric
he's got
on top.
All kinds of Saskatoons here on this side.
Yeah.
But that tree over there is a little different.
Pin cherries, I think, is what it's considered.
Yeah. What is this one? Is this Saskatoons as well?
Nope, this is the pin cherries.
Yeah, I don't
I
know.
think that's what it's considered. I'm actually not too sure.
I'm not sure what this is. Does anybody out there know what these are?
Zoom in on the ones in the shell.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I got a couple of them here. So if you guys can identify this
Here.
plant.
Look, see what I mean about jaggedy?
Yeah, jaggedy leaves.
So
Yeah.
we thought originally some of them might have been poison sumac or whatever, but no, they changed color, so.
I'm not sure what these ones are. I think those might be those winter berries.
All I know is that they are edible. Because
Yeah, they are edible.
the first year in the house, I ate some of them, and I didn't die, so.
Kind of a different thing from here.
Well, here's another random project happening in the middle of the back area here. Those trees are like 10 feet tall, some of them already. You can just see the pool there. But clearing out some land. Logan wants to make himself a little hut in the back here. You know, fort for him to hide in, probably with his girlfriend, not too sure. But I'm just clearing out some of this land here for him. Compost pile, kind of close, but you can see there's my trail. So it's not that far off. I still own like another maybe 60 feet that way, 30, 40 feet that way. So myself, this is where he chose, but myself, I probably would have did it in between all these trees, right in that opening there, because it's a lot cleaner. No logs or stumps to move, but yeah, this area works, and he has a nice opening here. So I got lots of scrap wood he can use and play around, but we'll see. I'm probably not going to videotape much of this. And what a great way to end the weekend. You're almost there. Yeah, I know. I told him he'd have to hit it with some speed. He actually was doing good until he hit the high centered spot. Now he should be okay. Maybe I'll leave this on until we get to the end of the road at least. What are you doing now? Did you have the choke on still? I think she's running a little toasty. I do need to put a catch can on that oil line going back to the carb. She's sucking a little bit of oil through her on when she bounces around a little too much in too many hills. I don't know, I would have pulled out of that a little bit more. Is he going to make it? Well, somehow he might. I should put a push bar on the back so I can just push him, eh? I'd put two wheels up on the center. Yeah, it's getting a little weird sand. Yeah, we'll never do this one if it's dry. In this case, it just rained earlier today, so. Put two wheels on the center. Okay, go quick. Ow, what are you trying to do to me? Okay, hurry up. Where's mine? That's okay. Come on. We're losing them.
governor, yeah.